If you're seeing a GOG runtime error out of string range, don't worry. In most cases, this is a storage or installation path issue, and it's usually very easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 simple steps that can help solve the error quickly so you can get your game installed and running again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is free up disk space on your main Windows drive, usually your C drive. Open File Explorer, click on this PC, and check how much free space you actually have available. GOG installers need extra space because they temporarily decompress game files during installation, so you should aim to free up at least double the size of the game you're trying to install. For example, if the game is 20 gigabytes, try to make at least 40 gigabytes available if possible. You can do this by deleting old downloads, emptying the recycle bin, moving large videos or files to another drive, or uninstalling apps you no longer use. Once you've cleared enough space, try the installation again and see if the error disappears. If the issue still happens, the next step is to adjust the installation path. A very common cause of this error is using a long or complicated folder name. So instead of keeping the installer buried in multiple folders, move the gameinstaller.exe file into a simple root folder like C+games. This keeps the file path short and easy for Windows to process. Avoid folder names with too many characters, special symbols, or deeply nested directories because that can sometimes trigger installation problems. After moving the installer, run it again from the new location and choose a simple install path if prompted. Keeping both the installer location and the game install folder short and clean can make a big difference. If you still run into trouble, double check that you have enough free space on the correct drive and that Windows has full access to the folder you're using. In many cases, just freeing up space and using a shorter folder path is enough to fix the GOG runtime error out of string range. So to quickly recap, first, free up plenty of space on your C drive, and second, move the installer into a short, simple folder like C+games before running it again. If this video solved your problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with any other GOG or Windows error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.